Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Without further ado, it is my deepest and humblest honor to present this Lifetime Achievement Award to the one and only Boots Anson Rodriguez.
Thank you very much, Ding Dong, for the very kind introduction.
International Film Festival recipient of the Best Actor Award, the multi-talented Ding Dong Dantes.
Magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat. Good evening, everyone. It is now my honor to present the next Monty Manibog Lifetime Achievement Award to someone I admire very much. Boots Anson began acting in 1968, appearing opposite actors like Dante Rivero, Joseph Estrada, Fernando Po Jr., under sa Paguita Pictures also with Ramon Revilla Sr., among many others. She was given Lifetime Achievement Awards by FAMAS and Star Awards, but it is her advocacy work behind the cameras that has earned her much respect and admiration. She was the director of UPPGH Medical Foundation from 1979 to 1981 and the Philippine National Red Cross from 1980 to 1982. Sa 1982 naman, she was appointed as a press attaché and cultural officer as well as a special assistant to the ambassador at the Philippine Embassy in Washington, D.C. Through all her advocacies, the one that she will be most remembered for is being the president of the Movie Workers Welfare Foundation Incorporated, or MOWI Fund. For the longest time po, mula 2002 hanggang 2020, and now she serves as a chairman of the board of the said foundation. Let's take a look at that.